Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get a PayPal donation link for Twitch. First, you will need to set up a PayPal Me link. This is a simple way for people to send you money directly. Log into your PayPal account, then navigate to the PayPal Me section. You can customize your unique URL, making it easy for your viewers to remember and use. This link will be the foundation for receiving contributions on your Twitch channel. Next, let's create a dedicated donation button. From your PayPal dashboard, find the All Tools option. Within this section, locate and click on PayPal buttons. You'll see several button types. Select the Donation button. This specific button is designed for receiving contributions and offers more customization options than a simple PayPal Me link, allowing you to track donations more effectively. Now it's time to customize your donation button. You can set the currency, suggest a default donation amount, and add a small message. Once you're satisfied with the settings, PayPal will generate an HTML code snippet. Copy this entire code. Then, go to your Twitch channel, edit your panels, and paste the HTML code into a new text or image panel. This will display your donation button directly on your stream page. Finally, always test your new donation link to confirm it functions correctly before going live. Make a small test donation yourself to experience the process. Clearly communicate to your viewers how they can donate and where to find the link on your Twitch channel. Remember to express sincere gratitude to everyone who supports your stream. A simple thank you goes a long way in building a positive community.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.